Thank you. I hope you can hear me. So firstly, I would want to just highlight to the House that the HIV pandemic is growing old, and people are growing old with HIV. And the question is, are we ready to look after them? Because we don't look after diseases, we look after human beings. So this morning, I want to present to you quickly an analysis that we did in Zimbabwe titled, Aging with HIV and Non-communicable Diseases. As healthcare workers, are we doing enough? Experiences of an HIV clinic in Harare, Zimbabwe. We looked at 10 years from 2015 to 2024, a longitudinal analysis. So we are reporting trends in the prevalence of old people in our care. And by old, I mean people living with HIV above the age of 50. We are also reporting prevalence of non-communicable diseases, hypertension, diabetes mellitus, and chronic kidney disease. And we further assessed HIV disease control, defined as a viral load of less than 1,000 copies per mil. We also assessed diabetes mellitus disease control, looking at glycosylated hemoglobin, and we also assessed control of hypertension, defined as a blood pressure of less than 140 over 90. So what did we find? In the past 10 years, the proportion of elderly people living with HIV has significantly gone up from 17% in 2015 to 38% in 2024. The good news is that these elderly people are well controlled in terms of virological suppression. The virological suppression ranged between 92 and 96%. So HIV is not a problem amongst these individuals. However, when it comes to non-communicable disease, only 48% achieved good diabetic control and 67% achieved good hypertension control. So the graph there just shows you where we are in terms of different chronic conditions amongst the elderly. I want to emphasize that more than 1 in 2 of those above the age of 50 are living with hypertension at around 56% as of 2024. Chronic kidney disease is high, but unfortunately, most of our facilities are not able to diagnose it. And then diabetes is also on the increase. It's around 11%. So for further discussions, you can join me at poster number 44. Thank you.